Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you where is the keyframes on CapCut PC and how to use it. So in here, if you want to use keyframes, you can find it easily on CapCut's PC. So you just need to click on the uh video first. So here in the right panel in here, you can see there are some menus with like here a diamond shapes icon besides it. So here is the keyframe. So if you find the CapCut feature with this icon, so that means that feature can be used with keyframes. So you can adjust the position and also the size using keyframes, so you can adjust it differently. For example, I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to add a keyframe here on the scale at the beginning, and also I'm going to go to the end of the clips. Then I'm going to change the scale into a bigger scale like this. Then another keyframe will be added automatically because I add the keyframe before. So this keyframes will make the video have a zoom effect like this. So that's the use on CapCut. That's one of the use. And I'm going to undo it first. So that's the first use. You can also find it on other feature on CapCut. Let's say audio here. You can see that there is a keyframe here. So you can add keyframe at the beginning, and also, for example, go to the end of the clips. Can add another keyframe and then lower. For example, you want to lower the volume at the end of the clip. So later when you play the video, your video will have like a fade out effects on the volume because the volume will go lower at the end of the video. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial for me, but I hope you'll get it and you'll find this useful. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.